Okay guys, this is Alex, founder of Beworks. I'm doing an office tour for you guys who are looking to join us. I have Marin here, who's a product owner here, and let us show you the place. So, we're in one of the meeting rooms.
Yeah, so this is where we usually come together as a team, for example, where we have our sprint meetings and review meetings and all that.
You can see on the wall that we're doing a bit of design thinking stuff, so also along the wall, the whole process.
And this table here is sometimes also transformed as a ping pong table. So we have a net that we put here. Yeah, you see it over there. So this is our multi-functional room, so to say.
So let's have a look at the kitchen and where we have lunch sometimes. So this is Arthur actually. This is Jaro. Hey. Both full stack developers here. So yeah, lots of good food as well.
Yeah.
So let's move on. So we have another meeting room, which is free at the moment, so I can show you. This is where we have some more meetings. We also have a relaxation room actually, or a meditation room, or a focus room as we call it. Also used, as you can see, for some tutorial videos sometimes. And we're downstairs now actually, so let me take you upstairs. The offices actually are upstairs, and here you see one closed office door and one more closed office door. But then let me show you one of the rooms, and this is where the developers work, for example, here on Straßburger Str, with actually today a nice day in March finally, and close to all the nice cafes and restaurants where we go for lunch. Anything else I forgot?
Yeah, well, I mean, you just mentioned it. We are now here in Berlin in the Kolwitzkiez, so we're in between Mitte and Prenzlauer Berg. So this is actually one of the coolest areas in Berlin. So you're close to the center around here. There's lots of cafes and lots of restaurants, and it's very convenient to get here. So the U-Bahn is close by. You can come here by bike, what we do as well. So it is one of the best places in Berlin to actually work, I would say.
Cool guys, so hope I gave you a nice overview of the office. Looking forward to you guys joining us. Take care.